Big fish here. It's about 17 pounds.
Oh, making a run.
Look at that pole bend.
I need some help over here.
Let me see the pole. Look at me, Pete. How do you feel?
Come on, hurry up. I feel like $1,000,000.
Is it a keeper? Show Bobby. Look at me. Look at me, Pete.
I like it. What do you eat? Huh?
This. You see him?
Yeah.
He's not a keeper. Look at me.
See?
Say bye. Let me get closer. Hold on. Let me zoom in on you.
He's good.
Look at me. How do you feel, Peter, going up 2-1 for the day? Look at me. How do you feel? There you
I'll
go.
feel better when I catch another.
All right. And we're out at the Cape Cod Canal. Live coverage of Peter catching a fish. Number 2 for the day. It's 2-1 as the saga continues for the trophy of the year. The Covenant Trophy. See who wins the most stripers. I'm out at the Cape Cod Canal at 8:20. Have a good day.